Good morning, class 6 students. In this video, we will discuss the poem What If? Are there times when your mind fills with fear? Have you ever thought, what if something dangerous happens to me or the people around me? What if the world stops revolving around the sun? What if the sun does not rise in the morning? There are many times when in our mind there comes a lot of things what would happen if this happens. So many things come in our mind. In this poem, the poet talks about some more such what ifs. As you know, the poet of this poem is Sal Silverstein. Now, last night while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear. Now the poet say one day he was lying at that time, some what ifs came into her mind and pranked and partied all night long, and he was thinking the about on these what ifs all night and saying their same old what if song. What if I am dumb in school? What happened if I would become dumb? What if they have closed the swimming pool? If they close the swimming pool, what would happen? What if I get beat up? What happened when I beat up? What if there is poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk that test? What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? All these things come into the mind of the child. What happened yadi if he would become dumb in the school, if the swimming pool was closed, if get beat up, he gets beat up. What happened if there is poison in his cup? And what if he started to cry? He became sick and died. He flunked that test. And what happened if green hair grows on his chest? What if nobody likes him? A bolt of lightning strikes me. What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish wouldn't bite? What if the wind tears us, my kite? What if they start a war? What happened when the war would start? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? All these questions comes into the mind of the poet. What would be? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems swell, and then the night time what if strikes again. Now, all these questions come into the mind of the poet. What would happen if all these things happens one after another? There are so many things come into the mind of the child. So students, you also afraid, जैसा कि एग्जामिनेशन डेज में होता है कि कभी मुझे कुछ याद ही ना जाए, मैं भूल जाऊं, तो so many things comes. अब now see in this poem rhyming verse, pair of rhyming verse if there is any. Yes, hair, ear, long, song, school, pool, up, cup, cry, die, test, chest, me, taller, smaller, bite, kite, war, no, here is not. So you have seen so many pair of rhyming verse in this poem, and the poet of this poem is Shell Silverstein. So, students, I think you are able to understand this poem. Thank you.